How's it going, Mechanatics? Today we're gonna be going over how I enjoy doing the whole tire plug stuff. So first things first, I do wanna recommend that you let the customer know that this is usually a temporary fix. I mean, they will take that how they will, but it's always best to let the customer know. Uh, Again, I enjoy the first thing I do obviously is locate the nail and then take it out. You can do this with a pair of snip pliers or pliers. I'm not sure what they're called. And yeah, then I grab my Milwaukee hex. I think it's a quarter drill bit. So I grab this and I just drill a hole. Make the hole go through. If it's not already like big enough, I make it so that it is. And as soon as it's done, I mean, you have the hole there already, so it's all good to go. From here, you would normally grab your tool to actually puncture the plug, but I will be using my drill hammer. I got this set of pliers from the Maddox kit I previously uploaded. And yeah, you just make sure that this plug is pretty much halfway through the tool. You want it halfway through so that it can get it so that you can utilize as much of it as possible. And from here, it's really as easy as just apply. Oh, I mean, you also have to apply the glue, the adhesive, and yeah, pretty much press that button and gently push. I mean, there's not much to it, and it's gonna do it perfectly. And then you pull it out. That's it. It's really that simple. I really enjoy using it this way with both of these tools as opposed to by hand. It's just a lot more simple. Things are just straightforward. You don't have to like go through the hassle. You really don't stress a lot, and it should take less than 5 minutes really. From there, you just add air to the correct tire pressure, and you're all good to go. Make sure it's not leaking. But yeah, other than that, Mechanatics, this is a quick one. It's just me demonstrating how I enjoy doing plugs. It's an easy and straightforward way. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment if you have any questions or comments regarding this method. Until next time, Mechanatics, this has been MechaWorks.